In this video we will see how to edit a place in Google Map. So let's go on mobile screen. So firstly open the Google Maps app and click on contribute. Here click on update address and search your particular place in which you want to make some edits. I am selecting the SBM toilet. We can edit anything from the above list. I am changing the operation hours. It's permanently closed but here showing not closed, so I am clicking on permanently closed. After clicking on it, the submit button will appear. Click on submit. Click OK, then automatically it will be submitted. So here you can see I earned some point. There are many methods to edit a place. It's one of them.